In the vast tapestry of history, where myth intertwines with reality and ancient wisdom whispers through the ages, lies a treasure trove of stories waiting to be unearthed. Welcome, fellow seeker, to a journey beyond time, where we delve into the mysteries of the past, exploring the profound truths that shaped civilizations and the legends that continue to inspire. As we embark on this quest together, prepare to awaken your imagination, challenge your perceptions, and discover the timeless knowledge that echoes through the corridors of human experience.
The mystical prayer our manifestation machine confirmed. Our Father in the heavens. When we say our Father in the heavens, it's easy to imagine a distant, ethereal place above. But Neville Goddard, along with ancient texts and mystics like those in the Gospel of Thomas, reminds us that heaven is not some far-off realm. Instead, heaven is within, an inner state of consciousness. According to Neville, our Father is the divine I Am, the core of our identity and power to create. The Gospel of Thomas echoes this by saying, "The kingdom of heaven is within you and outside of you." This suggests that the divine resides both in the vastness of the universe and in the smallest spaces within us. Our task, then, is to recognize this kingdom by awakening to our own I Am. Thy name must be, being hallowed. To hallow or honor the name of God is to recognize the sacredness of I Am in all that we do. Mary Magdalene, in her lost writings, often speaks of the soul's journey to reconnect with its divine source. She emphasizes reverence for the inner self, which aligns with the sacred I Am within each of us. By honoring this name, we acknowledge our true divine nature, moving closer to unity with God. Thy kingdom must be being restored. What is the kingdom that must be restored? In both Neville's and Hermetic teachings, this refers to our inner state of harmony, a mind aligned with divine truth. When we align our thoughts and emotions with our highest self, we restore this inner kingdom. Dr. Joe Dispenza speaks about the body's capacity to heal itself, reminding us that when the mind is aligned, the body follows. This aligns with the Hermetic principle of correspondence, as above, so below, as within, so without. The kingdom isn't a physical place, it's a state of being where the mind and body are harmonized. Thy will must be being done. Thy will be done is often interpreted as surrendering to a higher power. However, Neville and the Hermetic texts interpret this as aligning with the divine will within us. I Am chooses to be, and in that choice, it is done. This brings us back to the power of imagination, where our true will, in harmony with the divine, manifests as reality. The Gospel of Thomas again supports this, saying, "When you make the two one, then you will enter the kingdom." When our will aligns with our divine nature, there is no struggle, only flow. As in heaven, so in earth. As above, so below is one of the core Hermetic principles and mirrors the phrase, as in heaven, so in earth. What happens within us reflects outwardly. When our inner world is aligned with love, faith, and belief, our external reality mirrors this state. Heaven is a state of mind, and when we create harmony within, we manifest harmony without. The Gospel of Thomas and teachings of Mary Magdalene stress that the path to divine manifestation starts from within. They urge us to seek heaven inside ourselves. In the same way, Dr. Joe Dispenza's research shows that belief and intention shape our physical reality, teaching that when the mind is in the right state, the body follows. A miraculous experience. In 2006, my son was deployed overseas, and by March of 2007, I hadn't heard from him since the previous July. One day, a package from UPS arrived at my door, a hypnotic DVD. Curious, I started listening and followed the instructions as best I could. The DVD guided me to recall a moment when I felt pure, unconditional love. My mind took me back to the day my son was born, to that powerful feeling of pride and love I felt standing with my mother-in-law at the hospital elevator. It was as if I was reliving that moment, fully immersed. Then the phone rang. It was my son, calling from halfway around the world. Coincidence? I think not. This experience sparked a shift in me, a realization of the power of intention and faith. The King James Bible reminds us, "Ask, and it shall be given you. Seek, and ye shall find. Knock, and it shall be opened unto you." Matthew 7:7, Luke 11:9. Similarly, the Gospel of Thomas echoes, Let him who seeks continue seeking until he finds. When he finds, he will become troubled. When he becomes troubled, he will be astonished, and he will rule over the all. For 2 years, I've been seeking with an open heart, dedicating nearly 14 hours a day to my journey and creating over 590 videos. If you've made it this far, thank you for being part of this path. My takeaway? It's the power of that proud, grateful feeling, just being here, fully present, aware that we're all here for a reason. May you find your own miracles and feel the joy of being in the now. Bringing it all together. This ancient prayer, understood through a mystical lens, becomes a guide to manifestation. Recognize the I am within you as the source of creation. Honor this divine self by aligning your thoughts and actions with love and faith. Restore your inner kingdom by cultivating peace and harmony in your mind. Align your will with your divine purpose, allowing creation to flow naturally. Remember that the kingdom of heaven is a state within. As it thrives inside, it materializes outside. By following this divine template, we bring heaven to earth, not as a place, but as a lived reality, one aligned with the deepest truths within us. Thank you for joining us on this journey of inner discovery and spiritual awakening. If this resonated with you, please share it with someone who might need a spark of hope, insight, or encouragement. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the wisdom of the ages. Together, let's pay it forward, one shared insight, one lifted heart at a time. Because sometimes, all it takes is a reminder of the power within to change a life.